Machine and the rock steady rub. Oh, Gino, on a night with love. Alright guys, here's the third ceiling fan here at my cousin's house. Same fan. Turn the lights out because we got the sun shining. Yeah. Everywhere I go to family's house, I always video the fans, but I'm always careful not to break it because don't want to break it. This is a nice fan. Just ignore that. Sorry guys, that was somebody came in for a minute. I didn't want to get a copyright, so that's why I paused it for a minute. Here's medium. Wait, that was medium. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, just ignore that talking. These are nice fans, but they don't have lights. You can unscrew that. Alright, don't want to burn motor out. Springtime's coming, so I'm just gonna leave these pushing the air down. That feels good. Alright, now we're gonna turn that. Now we'll put it back on medium. Alright, there y'all go. Alright guys, so this is I think I got 4. I got 3 down, 4 more to go, so I'll be back in just a second. Until then, that's gonna be it. See you in the next video.